Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing with our GK, that is general knowledge. This is the GK textbook. In the last class we had done this chapter number 1, something missing. In this we had seen there are two pictures in which there is a puzzle. You have to find out the missing items in this picture and you have to circle it in this picture. So we had done this in the last class. Today we will be doing this chapter 2, Know Your Cartoon Friends. Now see this. Here the pictures are given of 5 cartoon characters. See, it is given in 2 parts. Half picture is given over here and half pictures are given in this column. So what you will do, you see over here. See this half picture. This is of which character? Then you find that character in this box. You have to do like that. But see over here, this whole picture is given. So we have to write the name of this character. So students, don't match it. It will look very bad if you match it. Just write the alphabet in this. See, here the full picture is given. Here the full picture is given. And here the half picture is given. So in this box, write the alphabet of the answer. Like see, which picture is this? Which cartoon character is this? This is Winnie the Pooh. Find out. This is the half. Which is the other half? The other half is over here. So which alphabet is, which box is this? C box. So don't match like this. Write in this box C. So that is the answer. Here in this box you will write C. This is Pooh. So you see here the answer is given Pooh. Write it. Then see this one. This picture, half picture is given over here. Which character is this? This is Minnie Mouse. Where is the other half? Here in D. So write here D. Then write over here Minnie. Then see this cartoon. Which cartoon is this? Here the full picture is given. This is Mickey Mouse. Where is the other half picture? It is over here in E box. So over here write E. Then write the name Mickey. See this. This picture is given, the full picture. Here the half picture is given. Where is the other half? The other half is over here. So what you will write? You will write B in this box because the other half is in B box. Which character is this? This is Goofy. See the last one. The half picture is given over here. Where is the other half given? It is over here, A box. See the half picture. Write over here, A and write the answer. This is Aladdin. So students, you have to do just this page today. See the video first, understand, and along with this I am also sending you the PDF file. I will send you the answer file, the photo of this page. I will write the answer in my book and I will send it to you so that you can understand how you have to write it. So complete this and then we can continue in the next class.